Hello, my name is Alfonso, and this is one of the series of video tutorials on programming with AI and not writing a single line of code. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a blog without writing a single line of code in the style of this minimalist website that I saw there. For this series of tutorials, we're going to be using val.town, an AI code writer, where you just describe what you want and it writes the code for you. To get started, go to val.town, log in if you weren't there, and we're going to start by describing what we want. Okay? So I'm going to say create a basic blog with a grid of posts, which show, let's see, show a big square image, big bold text, title, and then a snippet. Okay, which each of them contain a big square image preview, a big bold title under it, and a snippet of text below. Okay, and let's see how this starts. We're going to be writing this code iteratively. And what you're seeing here is the AI starting to write some of the code itself. And usually, most of the time, you don't need to pay attention to that. Just describe what you want to see changed. Okay, well, there's something here. It's not the prettiest, but hey, like we got this in one shot, which is pretty good. As you can see, for now, you cannot even click on these, but we'll build that later. Okay, the first thing I'm going to change is the style. I don't like the font used in the titles. Let's use instead, and I found this font before that I like, Anton in regular 400. Okay, so I'll say let's use the font Anton in 400 weight. And all caps. Already starting to look a bit better. Okay, change more things. Also change the blog title to the same font, but make it bigger. Okay. When I was looking at this, I actually like the bold colors used here. So I'm going to change the background to actually, well, let's use this pink. Let's see if I can find it here. This one. And as I'm doing that, I'm also going to ask it to remove the outline around the blog and the rounded corners. More style changes. Make the blog background color this. Remove the outline around blog items. Remove the rounded corners around blog items. And finally, do not elevate the items on hover. Okay, interesting. For some reason it thinks this should still be white, so I'm going to correct that. Also remove the white from blog items and use pure black. Let's use pure black for the text snippet. Something failed. When it does, you just ask it to try again. Okay, it's looking good. And now the last thing I'm going to do is ask it to remove this thing at the bottom. Okay, perfect. All right, this is already starting to take some shape. I'm going to pause the video here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create the full screen page, and then we'll work on the content editor as well.